Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon. Today we will talk about L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Shampoo. This shampoo is powered by Gold Quinoa and wheat protein that helps to repair damaged hair, nourishes and strengthens the hair fiber. It resurfaces and seals cuticles by maintaining hydration. It reconstructs core of hair and protects hair from external damage. Now let me tell you about its easy application. Take required amount of L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Shampoo and apply it to wet hair. Massage gently, rinse with clean water and you're good to go. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Keep shopping with Amazon.